If you want to sync Evernote between devices, the good news is that it's actually very simple once everything is signed in correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make sure your notes, notebooks and tags stay up to date across your desktop and other devices. We'll cover the basic setup, how to confirm sync is working, and what to check if something doesn't appear right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that Evernote syncs through the cloud. That means as long as you're using the same Evernote account on every device, your content should move between them automatically. So before you start troubleshooting anything, make sure you're not accidentally signed into two different accounts. This is one of the most common reasons people think Evernote isn't syncing. Now let's start on desktop. First, make sure you have the official Evernote app installed on your Windows or Mac computer. If you don't have it yet, download it from Evernote's official website and install it like any normal app. Once it's installed, open Evernote and sign in with the same email and password you use on your phone, tablet, or any other device. This step is important because Evernote can only sync content between devices that are connected to the same account. After you sign in, give it a moment to connect. In most cases, syncing happens automatically in the background. Your notes, tags, and notebooks should begin appearing on the desktop app without you having to do anything else. If you just created a note on your phone, for example, it should show up here after the app connects to the internet and refreshes. If you want to double-check that your devices are connected properly, go into Evernote Settings. On a Mac, click Evernote in the top menu and choose Settings. On Windows, click your profile or the menu icon and open Settings from there. Then look for the Devices section. This is where you can confirm that your active devices are listed and connected to the account. Now, let's talk about your other devices. Open Evernote on your phone, tablet, or second computer, and again, make sure you're signed in with the exact same credentials. Even one small typo in the email, or using a different login method, can split your notes across multiple accounts. Once you sign in correctly, Evernote should start syncing the same content across all devices. If your notes are not showing up immediately, don't panic. First, check that the device has a stable internet connection. Since Evernote syncs over the cloud, it needs internet access to send and receive changes. Then try pulling to refresh, closing the app completely, and reopening it. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes for the latest notes to appear. Another helpful tip is to make sure sync is not being delayed by app updates or background restrictions. If you're on mobile, check that Evernote is allowed to run in the background and that battery-saving settings are not preventing it from syncing properly. On desktop, make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you're using the newest sync improvements. If you add a note on one device and want to test the sync, create a simple test note with a title you'll easily recognize. Then open Evernote on another device and see if it appears. This is a great way to confirm that your account and sync are working exactly as they should. And if you ever run into a sync issue, the first things to verify are always the same. Same account, internet connection, updated app, and connected device settings. In most cases, one of those four things is the cause. So that's how to sync Evernote between devices. Once you're logged into the same account everywhere, Evernote does most of the work for you automatically. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.